First Prime Minister of India. Shape with 3 sides is called?
Triangle.
Fairy tale. only those things you know. Okay. Why is not mountain part
How
of
is
it?
mountain associated with these? 3 sports you play with ball.
Volleyball,
Cricket,
football, cricket.
baseball.
Waste of India you are.
हेलो दोस्तों, तो आज मेरे साथ है अर्जुन और फातिमा. हाय अर्जुन, हाय फातिमा.
Hello.
Hi.
So today we have a English related quiz for you and general knowledge quiz. I hope you get to win lots of money today. As and when you answer, you will get to win money accordingly. So are you all ready for the questions?
Yes.
Okay. So here comes your first one. Past tense of see.
Saw.
So.
Yes, Arjun. Plural of equipment.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकल.
Plural.
Equipments.
No.
Plural.
Plural of equipment.
That's a plural, right?
Yeah.